Hello everyone. This is a brief introduction to the particle model of matter. The particle model of matter is a way of thinking about what substances are like on a very teeny tiny scale. We say that everything is made up of particles, the smallest possible pieces of matter, and we can use this idea to understand why things, such as solids, liquids and gases, behave the way they do. Take solids, for example. All of the particles in a solid look like this. They're very close to each other, so it's very difficult to squash a solid object because the particles are already about as close as they're going to get. You can't squash it, you can't push them any closer. And all of the particles are arranged in a fixed pattern, unable to move out of it, which is why solid objects have a fixed shape. Now the particles do vibrate on the spot, but we'll cover that in more detail in a future video. In a liquid, the particles are arranged like this. They're still very close together, so we can't compress liquids either. We can't push those particles any closer together either. They're about as close as they're going to get. So you can't compress a liquid because of this. But in a liquid, the particles aren't fixed in any particular arrangement or pattern. They can slip and slide past each other very easily, which is why liquids flow, and also why they take the shape of whatever container you put them in. In gases, the particles are very spread out. So this is why gases can be compressed. It's actually possible to push the particles closer in together to each other and squash the gas a little bit. And the particles can move freely around, so gases will also flow and take the shape of whatever you put them in. And since they can spread out as well, they'll actually also expand to fill whatever container you put them in. So those are the basics of the states of matter according to the particle model. Keep your eyes peeled for a future video in which I'm going to go into a bit more specifics about energy in particles and the particle model. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.